Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn with bird's name in English. Okay, this is blue color. First one, peacock. P E A C O C K. Peacock. This is purple color. Next one, cuckoo. C U C K O O. Cuckoo. Next one, ostrich. This is black color. Ostrich. O S T R I C H. Ostrich. This is dark green. And then next one, sparrow. S P A R R O W. Sparrow. And then next one, crow. This is brown color. Crow. C R O W. Crow. And then green color. Pigeon. P I G E O N. Pigeon. And then next one is eagle. This is red color. Eagle. E A G L E. Eagle. And then next one, parrot. Parrot. This is pink color. P A R R O T. Parrot. Next one is hummingbird. Hummingbird. This is brown color. Hummingbird. H U M M I N G B I R D. Hummingbird. And next one is falcon. Falcon. F. This is orange color. A L C O N falcon. Okay, today's this is peacock, cuckoo, ostrich, sparrow, crow, pigeon, eagle, parrot, hummingbird, falcon.